Good morning to all of you. This is our hydroponic system. This is called as NFT. Under NFT system, we are growing Brahmi, lettuce, you can see, and here is the tomato, cherry tomato we are growing, and you can see its fruitlets are bigger than expected size. So whatever you can see this one. This one is very good and having the larger size. So what we are adopting, we are testing various solutions, various nutrients in various formulation, because sometime you know NPK you have to reduce or you have to increase. You can see the size of this lettuce. So we are providing a continuous training over these system. You can grow it on the terrace, you can grow at any space available to your near to your house, and it's very easy to maintain, and that's a very good system. And we are also trying for growing this in the organic way by fusing aquaponics. Okay, so if anyone is interested in training of these learning hydroponic system, so they can contact me. I am the head of department, Dr. M Bhatt, Amritsar Engineering College, Amritsar. Thank you. Bye bye.